Let me show you how to create an accessible table in Canvas by using the Accessibility Checker. I have two table examples. First table has only one row table header, and the second table has a column header and a row table header. Now, in the upper right-hand corner, we are going to use check accessibility, and our accessibility checker wants us to add a caption for the first highlighted table. I'm going to cut and paste, then select apply. Next, the accessibility checker wants us to set the table header, and we know that it is a header row, so we are going to select header row and then select apply. In our next table, we are going to add a caption, and we have one. It's potato yield. I'm going to cut, right-click paste, and then select apply. Next, I'm going to set the table header. I know that I need a header row and a column, so I'll select that in the drop-down menu and select apply. Now Canvas Accessibility is happy and it says no accessibility issues were detected. So just a side note, the accessibility checker is a robot and it's only really good for table accessibility and color contrast. But I always recommend don't always rely on the accessibility checker or any accessibility checker. We will need to use our human eyes. So for example, if we need to create properly structured headings, the accessibility checker can't determine that for us. Or if the alt text is descriptive and meaningful. So if you want to learn how to manually create these table headers, please visit the Public Course Design Accessibility Criteria and scroll down to Tables.